crabby?
Because we haven't eaten yet.
Oh.
So we got up fairly early to get on the bus fairly early to get here to Teotihuacan. That one. To climb some pyramids, before all the hordes of tourists get here. I mean, it's a Monday though, so I don't think it's gonna get too crowded, but there's like no one here. It's awesome. It's
great.
Super awesome.
The only not great part about it is that you're gonna get sold to very aggressively because you're the only one here.
Anyway, so we're on the 2-mile walk.
We are on the Calzada de los Muertos. This is the Street of the Dead.
Yes.
Road of the Dead.
And so it goes from the south, where we just came from, all the way to the north, which is the Temple of the Moon, and about, I don't know, maybe halfway is the Temple of the Sun. We've probably done about maybe a quarter mile. Yeah, I don't know why they're trimming the dirt. So yeah, needless to say, we have a good amount of a walk left. So the plan for today is we're doing this early, and then we're gonna go do some museums back in the city. See you at the top of the Temple of the Sun. You ready for this?
Even if I'm not, we're already here.
I guess that's true. These steps, my hand, for reference, it's about double my hand. Fun fact, the top of the Pyramid of the Moon is higher than the Pyramid of the Sun.
Yeah, that felt like doing a minute of pulsing squats.
Yeah. Always looking towards the sun. Always looking towards my son.
Love you.
Love you.
I'm hungry. Too mood, sleepy and hungry.
I think our work's done for today, hopefully. I don't think we have any more major steps to climb.
Beautiful historic place.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. How crazy would it be to be the person who discovers this after so many thousands of years? Sees all this and it's just like, oh my god, there was a whole civilization here. This was a place that people... This was a place.
This was a place.
This was a place. Also, and I'm gonna say it correctly on camera at least once. Teotihuacan. Yeah. Just so you know, I'm not completely inept at this. So now we're gonna go see some murals that they unearthed, and then go back and get some tacos.
All day.
Yeah, what time is it?
It's only 11.
Nice.
2 hours down.
Good timing. We failed so hard.
So hard.
We'll do our museums and like normal touristy stuff on Monday. Like Sunday we'll just kind of wander around and see the city because we don't want to wake up early. Today we're like, yeah, let's see the Chapultepec Castle, the Anthropology Museum. Let's do all of that today. And so we get back and we're on the bus looking at the hours to make sure that we're okay, and we're not okay. Everything is closed on Mondays. Literally everything.
All the museums and all the parks.
Even like the
Cerrado.
entire Chapultepec Park is closed.
Closed.
So, top tip, if you're going to Mexico City, don't plan your museums for a Monday.
Go on Sunday, because they're actually all free.
A lot of them are, yeah. With that said, we are just gonna go shopping, I guess, because that's the only thing to do on a Monday in the afternoon. It's so annoying. I hate it.
It's also really annoying because they have to pee.
Wish someone would have told us that before we came here.
Yeah. It's okay. It's our fault.
Yeah.
Didn't do enough due diligence to do the research.
We got lazy yesterday.
Yep. And now we're paying for it.
Yes, we are. It's alright.
We'll just have to come back.
It's true. We'll come back. There's so much of this city that you can't see it all in 3.5 days. So remember how we were saying yesterday, the way that we travel is we kind of get a list of general things that we want to see and do, and then, yeah, just kind of wing it. This is when that bites you in the ass. When you don't plan enough ahead that the things that you want to see are closed and you don't have enough time to see them before you leave.